in.
Does she look nervous to you?
Yeah.
Yes.
You trembled like you'd seen a ghost. I gave in. I like the things you need the most. You said, where have you been? I've fallen from grace, took a blow to my face. I've loved and I've lost, I've loved and I've lost. Explosion on the day you wake up, needing somebody you've loved. It's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. The night you could intentions were gone, the mountains will shake, and tonight I can still make explosion. On the day you wake up, needing somebody you love. It's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. Oh, it will never be the same.
You have a full house.
Your chair's broken.
What's your name?
Sorry, my name is Leverne and I'm from Cheshire. I'm a mummy of four little boys.
You probably don't have a lot of time with 4 children. So how did you become such a good singer?
I don't sing, Kylie. No, I don't do gigs, I don't do shows, I basically...
Do laundry and pack lunches.
Hoover, wash up and sing whilst I'm going with the boys going, stop singing, Mum.
Well, that was just beautiful. I would love to hear you sing more songs, and I'd love to be part of your journey. We'll sort out the babysitter and all of that. And you're just delightful and lovely, and you have my heart.
Well, I've got 5 girls on my team. I have to stress that point because, as it happens, they are all girls. I don't know why, because... No, because I really like the way they sang. Each one of them brought something different. And that's what you do. You've brought something different. You just sang it. You know, you didn't try to do anything clever. You did what you felt. And I felt what you felt. So, you know, if you want to come with me, come on.
Yeah, during that, me and TJ, sorry, Sir TJ.
It's TJ.
We were looking at each other and we both said the same thing. We were both pure.
Yeah.
I mean, it was so pure.
I said the same.
It was amazing, and I think we're going to have to find someone to help you with the laundry and looking after the kids, because you're going to be pretty busy over the next few weeks.
I thought you were, it sounded like a little angel, and I didn't want to waste any time. I wanted to see, you know, I want to see what fell out of the sky, so I turned around. We all have that person in our lives that helps us do impossible things. I mean, whether it's a family member or a close friend, a manager. So this journey, there's going to be some things that seem impossible to you because you've been doing impossible things, raising a wonderful family. And regardless who you pick, we'll be walking around backstage, and I'll be there to give you a shove on the shoulder to help you through the hard times.
It's a tough choice, right? Because on the end there, you've got Will. What he can do for you is immeasurable. But Kyle's there. She can bring out the diva in you, which needs to be brought out. Tom can teach you everything, because he's done everything. He's met Jessie J. And I'll just let you be yourself, so that's what I do. And you are great. Choose wisely.
Such a decision. But backstage now, who my heart was belonging to from before I got on the stage. And for who I think can take me further. Tom Jones.
You're like Snow White.
Oh, really, I am.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you.